To change the button press sensitivity of your Logitech MX Master 4 is easy. Just go ahead and launch the Logi Options Plus app on your computer and select your mouse. Choose Point Scroll Press and then simply select Button Press Sensitivity. Once you've done that, you can then see the different options that are available. You have light, medium, hard, and firm. So if you've selected firm, it means that you'll need to consciously press on the button hard, like so that it's registered as a press on the button press of your Logitech MX Master 4. So you can see here, it's been successfully registered, which is why the actions menu has successfully opened. However, if you choose light, bear in mind that even just the slightest touch, just like so, can easily bring up the window on your screen. So ensure that you choose the option that is suitable for you. And once you're happy with the changes, you can just go back with the changes being applied to the button press on your mouse. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.